Hello, everybody. I am Edinson Mauricio Bueno. I belong to System Engineer. But I'm going to tell you reason why I choose the Nestle company. The company is the most pure in the world, chewing single. You see plastic into the ocean as the investigation by breeds free from the plastic. Yes, and so we sugar be sugar visit the company to give some recommendation. Yes, and well, friend, this was the request that's made to the next company, and this was my reason why choose in starting with the destroying the ocean and this killer polar ocean. Uh, Good, and this is my presentation. Thank you. Bye.